Failure analysis labs face increasing demands for reliable, atomic-level insights, without compromising productivity. The thermoscientific Talos F200E STEM offers a powerful solution that is dedicated to semiconductor applications. It's an ideal choice for labs of various sizes, at multiple stages of technology development. The Talos F200E STEM is easy to use thanks to thermoscientific VLOC software, which presents a unified user interface across an entire workflow. This allows for high-resolution imaging while simultaneously collecting elemental maps in minutes. Here, we demonstrate how to quickly and easily acquire images and EDS results on a 16-nanometer FinFET device. First off, the Talos F200E STEM's rapid vacuum recovery and drift correction mean we don't have to wait on the system to get started. On our FinFET, we begin by easily navigating on the sample while maintaining feature centering from grid overview to high magnification region of interest. And it's fast. TEM to STEM mode switching can be executed in seconds without waiting for the system to stabilize. With a few quick alignments, we're ready for high-contrast STEM imaging. VLOC software's AutoSTEM allows for automated focus and stigmation alignment, streamlining acquisition time and enabling user-to-user consistency. From this point, our exacting image distortion and magnification calibration specifications can enable reliable final measurement of device features and atomic-scale defects. These measurements are critical for accurate analysis. Here are the high-contrast, atomic resolution images. Save time by seamlessly transitioning from high-resolution imaging to EDS acquisition mode by loading preset conditions and alignments. The image is optimized, and we can start acquisition right away. In this example, EDS data is simultaneously collected for about 4 minutes. The combination of the analytical power of the Talos F200E STEM and the ease of use of VLOC software exposes nanoscale insights in just a few minutes, from sample loading to final data. Learn how the Talos F200E STEM with VLOC software can support your device analysis, defect characterization, and yield support.